Good morning, everyone. It is July 2nd, first class in July for us here at KIT Iizuka, second period, English A2. Let's go over what we're going to be doing today. The main part of what I want to do is to get you to talk. A lot of talking today. Not so much the drills that we do with I go, do you go, does he go. I want you to start being able to talk. So we're going to begin with counter, and then we'll do the Quizlet work. That's not going to be very heavy because it's not actually very big. There are only, I think, 15. There are only 15 words in this set, and some of them are from the other sets. It was a small set for this particular week. Here are your homework answers from the week before. You have writing quiz 3. Okay, so you're doing that from the writing quiz 1, writing quiz 2. You have a reading quiz, and as always, your reflection that's due on Friday. And as I mentioned before last week, and I will mention again because I don't want you guys to screw this up, your reading reports are still due, and I still only have 7 reports that have been submitted to me for the extensive reading. Please start reading books. Please start submitting these reports, and don't forget your reading quizzes for each book that you read. Okay. Otherwise, just to remind you, let's see here. Today is the 11th, so that's today is the 2nd, so that's class number 11. That leaves us the 12th class, 13th class, and then we begin our tests. So there are really only 3 classes left for our normal classes. After that, we have our tests. And I explained this last week. The option class, we will not be having a class unless I need to speak to you specifically one-on-one. And even then, we will not be in the classroom. I will be talking to you over Zoom. If I don't talk to you about the option class, don't worry, you don't have to come to this class. But right now, I want to get everybody ready, and we're going to be doing some speaking. And if you have any questions, you can come talk to me in class. Otherwise, contact me by email, jdmcruz@gmail.com. Let's have a good class, everyone.